Alex is very fond of data entry. He loves to enter information, keeping records of almost everything on his computer. Every detail of his home is recorded in his system. Seeing his love for data entry, his Aunt Petunia suggested that he should start doing data entry outsourcing, which will not only fulfill his fondness, but will be a great income source too. He didn't know anything about that previously, so he asked his aunt to explain the whole procedure of outsourcing data entry. And that's where I got my new video idea from this story. Hey good people, welcome back to ASLBPO. This is Maureen and today I will try to give you a complete guide to data entry outsourcing. So those who have ever liked Alex and wanted to start their journey or outsource their data entry services can get a good understanding. What is data entry? Data entry is the process of inputting information into a computer or the other electronic devices. This can be done manually by typing on a keyboard or automatically by using a scanner or other data capture device. The information entered can be in various forms such as text, numbers, images or audio. The data is then stored in a database or other electronic format for later retrieval or analysis. Data entry is commonly used in industries such as finance, healthcare, and retail for tasks such as invoicing, patient records, and inventory management. Importance of data entry outsourcing. Data entry plays a crucial role in the smooth operation and success of a business. According to research, error-free data entry is one of the business activities that can identify an organization's overall success. On the other hand, some slight mistakes can cause severe damage to a company's reputation. Companies that use data to guide their decisions serves better than those that makes decision based solely on intuition. Data may have hundreds of hostile benefits. However, hiring a full-time employee for the sake of a data entry purpose only seems expensive. Outsourcing is an effective way to systematize data entry projects within your budget. Types of data entry services. Data entry is itself a broad term as it comprises a wide area of tasks performed in different business operations. The major types of data entry services that can be outsourced are list building service, document conversion, product and catalog entry, database creation, image upload or download, online data input or entry, data scraping, bulk bill or order processing, copy and paste work, document management, various form processing, order entry and processing, data cleaning, data capturing, image indexing, data extraction, offline data entry, CRM data management, catalog management, ebook conversions, real estate data entry, insurance claim data entry, legal documents, handwritten data entry, mailing list compilation, accounting data entry, invoice indexing, healthcare, and medical data entry services. In summary, the tasks mentioned are manual, tedious, and repetitive in nature. It can be costly for a business to handle this task in-house, as it can lead to higher expenses and lack of quality control. Outsourcing this task may be a better option as it can save cost and ensure accuracy. That's why it is to the greater benefit of any business that these tedious tasks are outsourced to a data entry service provider like us. ASLBPO that specialize in providing these types of services in order to reduce the business's overhead costs while receiving high quality end work. This is one of the many reasons why the demand for outsourcing data entry services is increasing worldwide. How to select the best outsourcing partner for your data entry requirements. When searching for a data entry company, it is important to consider factors such as the specific service orders, accuracy and trustworthiness, quality control, budget, location, and data security. The best way to find a suitable outsourcing company is to conduct a preliminary search, ask yourself relevant questions, and then have a detailed discussion with the potential companies to determine the best fit for your needs. Some potential concerns and how to address them. Businesses may be hesitant to outsource offshore due to concern about data security and the ability of the company to complete the work accurately and on time. To address these concerns, it is important to thoroughly research potential companies and discuss any concerns with them directly. A reputable outsourcing firm will be willing to address these concerns and provide a clear explanation of how they will resolve it. Advantages of outsourcing data entry services. The benefits of outsourcing these types of data entry services include guaranteed cost reduction because you are hiring an offshore company that specializes in data entry services. Your operational cost will decrease by 30 to 60%. High quality end result because you are hiring experts in the field, it will ensure that the service you need will be error-free and accurate. Timely delivery of service. All expert data entry companies will ensure that you receive the result within the deadline. Reduction in document storage cost because you will be investing less in the infrastructure development for these tasks in-house. Reduction in time spent on hiring and training. Save thousands of man-hours by delegating the tasks to specialized people and avoiding having to train them yourself. One-stop solutions. Most data entry companies provide a large area of services in this category. So you can simply hire a reputed company and have all your data entry needs taken care of. 24/7 services. Most BPO data entry companies will provide their services 24/7. So you can always have them work at your preferred time. Scalability and flexibility. Most data entry outsourcing companies can scale up or down their operations based on your requirements. This means you don't have to worry about hiring and downscaling yourself. It will be the responsibility of your outsourcing partner. Comparative analysis of outsourcing data entry services. India, the Philippines, and China are known outsourcing hubs. Hiring a BPO firm from these countries may not always be the best option for your business. Consider alternative hubs such as Bangladesh for data entry service. Here is a comparative analysis as to why Bangladesh might work better for your outsourcing needs. Bangladesh is a top destination for outsourcing firms and freelancers. India and the Philippines have higher annual revenue growth in the industry. Bangladesh is relatively new in the field, but is close behind these two countries. Since 2005, Bangladesh has been seeing exponential growth year over year in its relevant infant outsourcing industry. This is because more clients are becoming increasingly satisfied with hiring a BPO companies from Bangladesh. The cost of data entry services in Bangladesh are comparatively lower than those in India, China, and Philippines. Bangladesh top data entry service provider. If you're interested in outsourcing your data entry from Bangladesh, some of the BPO firms that you may want to hire are: number 1, ASL BPO. ASL BPO is an offshore data entry service company that provides services to businesses from various countries, including the USA, France, the UK, and China. They have expertise in handling data entry tasks for a variety of industries such as real estate, insurance, healthcare, e-commerce, and wholesale appliances. Number 2, 𝐀𝐒𝐋. 𝐀𝐒𝐋, formerly known as Task Eater, primarily serves countries in Europe and South Africa. They offer a variety of data labeling well as their other services to foreign businesses. They are a top BPO firm in Bangladesh and provide offshore data entry services to their staffing solutions in Bangladesh. Number 3, My Outsourcing Limited. They have most experience working with MNCs and FMCGs companies. They provide data management solution and specialized in offline data entry services, data entry for logistics, copy and paste data entry, and other web-related data entry services. Number 4, DataPath. DataPath Limited is a private limited company that was established in 2008. A large part of their specialization is in bookkeeping and QuickBooks related data entry services. I tried to cover all the aspects of data entry outsourcing services. I hope this helps you as well as Alex too. If you're thinking of hiring an outsourcing company, then the obvious choice should be ASL BPO. As with the years of experience, ASL BPO is the most client-preferred data outsourcing provider company in Bangladesh. You can outsource a portion of your data entry project to us even before you sign the contract as a part of our 7-day trial service. Get in touch with us to find out more about our services. I will see you soon in our next video. Adios everyone.